Hello WASC team. I put this video together to kind of go over what we were going to be doing with the document itself, how to access the files. Some of you had asked for a copy of your section to be sent to you. One, it allows you to be able to edit in it and look at it, but what I wanted to show you was how we're going to do this year's version. So our full version that we're doing for our report, we're going to use Google Docs. And one of the things that I need everybody to do is one, to download Chrome. So here it is down at the bottom. That's the icon you're looking for. I'm going to cheat here for a second and show you something. If you don't have Chrome, you can get it. I can take you through the staff and admin look, but one of the things that I can show you on how to get it is going through the school website. It's a free download if you go to, I always just do MyCNUSD IT, and it'll take you to the IT department. I won't be able to do it here at home, but if you look at this page, one of the things that you're going to be able to do is there's right here where it says Get Help, there's a section called Software List and Downloads. You can download Google Chrome without any sort of administrative password. So if you don't have it on your computer already, there's a quick spot to be able to do it and get it on your computer right away. The next thing that I need everybody to do is sign up for a Gmail account. So if you don't have one already, you're going to need one, and it's going to be pretty important to be able to do the things that we're going to be doing as we work on this document. So I need you to create a Gmail account. Usually it's going to be the upper right hand corner. I'm already signed in. So go ahead and create that account and log in, and it'll show you that you're logged in. Typically, the easiest way to tell is your name is here. It'll show you, if you click farther, your personal recent tabs, your bookmarks that you have. So you'll have all those. It's nice because it syncs those as you go through, but it's going to serve a bigger purpose. Before we move on to the next step, what I need you to do is email me your Gmail account. Really, not necessarily all the access pieces, but all I need is the email account. So whatever your at Gmail user or email address is, I need you to send that to me so I can invite you to the documents themselves. Once you do that, we're going to be in a good place and I can set things up on the back end. But I wanted to show you the documents. Part of the reason why I want the Gmail accounts is it will show who edits what. So as we work through the document, we'll be able to keep track of different information and who we might need to get in touch with. So as we go through this, we need to get to the school website. I always just do CNUSD, ERHS, or vice versa, and it'll take you to our school webpage. So we'll click on our school webpage, and it'll load up. Here we go. Here's the new website. The piece that we're looking for is staff. So this will be this yellow tab here with staff on it. You should be ready to go and sign in if you're on a school computer. Even at home, you can always sign in or click on it and it will prompt you to sign into the next piece, which is the MyCNUSD workspace. So once you click that, it'll take you to this MyCNUSD workspace. Your email and all those other pieces are off to the left, but what we're focusing on is what's here on the right. And mainly this ERHS WASC will be the piece that I'm going to ask everybody to go ahead and click on. You should be all invited to this group. Let me know if you're not. We can get you added real quick. It's not a big problem at all. So we click on that, and this will take you to the team page, as it were, and you're all set up here, ready to go. I've kind of added a few things. There's some people that have added a few other pieces, like take a stand PowerPoint is a piece of evidence. But if there's things that you have that you think might be good documents for us to have, or evidence, or other pieces that you want to be able to share with the group, you can add documents here. We have the focus group listing. We'll update that. The evidence cards we handed out earlier here. The calendar I handed out, we can put in the ESLers. We can put in slows as we develop them. Pictures, you can do all of that. There's a chat board feature. I tried this a little bit ago, and so it works just fine. You can like someone's comment, reply. So if you need to talk to the group outside of sending an email, you can also message them here within the actual workspace or team page. Now up at the top, this is the key piece and why it's critical to be signed into Chrome. So each one of these is a link to a Google document. So it's hyperlinked and set for each section. So there's organization, curriculum, instruction, assessment, and culture. We're going to use organization as our example. Now when you open it, and this is why it's nice to be using Chrome and to be signed in already. So because I'm using Chrome, so you'll know because I'm down here set up in Chrome, and then also you'll see that I'm signed in, and it'll show you in the right hand corner. So anything that I do to edit this document, it will do two things. One, it will save instantly because I'm working within Google Documents and in Chrome. Second, it will log who edited. So if we want to be able to see who edited the document or who changed things, it will save that information. So if we need to ask questions about, or clarification on what we were doing, it's easy to be able to figure out who we need to talk to. So one of the other nice pieces of this is that with Google Documents, you can edit it at home if you so choose to be working on it at home. Or one of the other big pieces is with the larger groups and the bigger findings and prompts, you can divide up the prompts, and you don't necessarily have to have one person typing the entire time when someone else is doing things. Here what you can do is you can divide up the different prompts, and different people can go through this and actually type in a different section. So if someone wanted to work on, say, section A1, they could work on section A1, or you could divide up section A1, or someone could work on A2, and you could all be wherever you were being in front of a computer and be working simultaneously as well. So that's an option for you. But this is a key piece that we're going to need everybody to have. So sign up for the Gmail account. You're going to send that to me, and I will invite you to the documents so you have those pieces ready to go. And then also, once you have that, it's key to sign into Google Chrome as you edit, because that will keep all your documents live and then also save them as we go along. So I'll go back one more time. And again, as we load right up the top, so here's all the different sections. You just click on yours and it'll take you right to it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take what you guys build in this chapter 4 section and add it right to the master document that we also have in Google Chrome. So we'll be putting that part together. So these are the 4 sections that we'll edit. We'll continue to update those as we go along. But please send me your information on your Gmail account so I can add that. And we should be good to go. If you have any questions, make sure you touch base with me. If it's questions about this team page here, Google Chrome, or even the Google Docs, I can get you going. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. Hope this video helps. And let's do this. Let's make it a good WASC.